Okay, so we're going to film this cable tester project in the MacLab because the Studio A, I believe, is once again full of people that wish to record. So I took the equipment out to get out of their hair, and hopefully that doesn't intrude on anybody else's wanting to get this project done. So anyway, we're going to be constructing a cable tester. Well, really, we're just making a circuit that will function as a cable tester. We're going to test this cable and make sure that all the power is going where it's supposed to go. So I'm going to adjust the camera to about here. I think that's a good shot. I hope it is. There's nothing I can really do about it. I'm recording this on a laptop camera, so yeah. Okay. Well, we're going to start by putting the positive of the 9-volt battery into the breadboard right here, and just put the negative over on the, just make sure that's all going to fit in there, all on this side over here. Okay, so now we've got a power source. We can start messing around with everything else. We're going to take the tip portion of this tip sleeve cable, and we're going to plug it in right here, so that the power is going to start going through there. Now we need to take the other tip and wait a second. Let's see here. I feel like I'm right, so never mind. We're going to take the sleeve, plug it down into here, and then we're going to take the other sleeve, plug it in, because sleeve goes to sleeve, and then we're going to take this last tip and put it over here at random. Okay, so now we should have energy flowing into the tip of this, okay, going up, and something's wrong here, I feel like, but we're just going to finish it and then we're going to mess around with it at the end, because I could be right. I don't think I am. We're going to put the resistor here, okay, and just shove that down maybe to there. Then in the same row, we put down the LED right here, and then we ground it back into the back. Okay, look, it's all right. Awesome. Okay, so what's happening here is the electrons are traveling out of the negative, the black part of the battery, flowing, well, no, pardon, it starts in the red, okay, comes out of there, goes in through the tip, goes all the way up there, back out of the sleeve, because the two sleeves are in the same row, goes back up the sleeve, and comes out of the tip, hits this 560 ohm resistor, which we put in a different row, which connects up to the LED, and the LED goes back and is grounded back into the negative. And that's the project. So looks like we're finished. Hopefully that is enough and I can get the cables back to the lab so somebody else can do this next. Alright.